Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to install Steam on Windows 11. And for this you need to go to the Google web browser, and then from here we type in Steam, search for that, and then click here welcome to Steam. Then here in the top there is a green bar that says install Steam. So right now we click on install Steam, and here's the blue bar and click now on install Steam, the blue one. Then the setup is downloaded just right here, and now if you click here on the exe, we can download Steam. So right now do yes. Then welcome to Steam setup. Now let's do next. Select your language. Then we do install, and right now he is installing Steam. Right now we want to run Steam, so if you click here on finish and you click here on run Steam, he will run Steam for us. First of all, he needs to update Steam, so first we will wait until this update is done. Alright, a little side note, the update can be dure around 10 minutes. So that is the duration of that update. Right now we can log into our Steam account, and that's exactly how you download Steam on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and ciao.